Hello everyone. You might be wondering what an environmental engineer does. First and foremost, we're engineers. We apply the fundamentals of math, physics, and chemistry to analyze, control, and design complex systems. We're technical experts in our field. We apply our knowledge to solve problems related to air, land, water, and energy. We design water treatment systems to provide safe water to the public. We analyze air quality to protect human health, and we control fate and transport of pollutants to protect the environment. Our engineering solutions help individuals, our communities, our country, and the world. For example, I'm researching sustainable pathways of removing perfluorinated compounds, or PFAS, from groundwater. PFAS can be found in personal care products, our pots and pans in our kitchen, and into fire extinguishing foams. PFAS are very persistent pollutants and they make their way into our water. They have negative impacts on human health and they accumulate in the environment, so it's really important to remove them quickly. Some of the career paths that an environmental engineer can have is either working in consulting, designing systems that they relate to water, energy, and soil. Other career paths may involve working for public and regulatory agencies such as the Environmental Protection Agency or water districts such as Tucson Water. More and more environmental engineers are finding career paths in the oil and the mining industry as sustainable harvesting of resources becomes increasingly more important. We collaborate a lot with experts in human and environmental health sciences to shape regulations and policies to find the best practices to make sure our environment is clean and healthy. As an undergraduate student, you will study the underlying physics and chemistry that drive natural and anthropogenic processes. You will study math to solve these processes and apply this knowledge to design systems for water, air, land, and energy management, such as renewable energy systems, desalination systems, or soil remediation systems. As our program is one of the few in the nation that closely bridges chemical and environmental engineering, and that is really important. The chemical and environmental engineering here at the U of A has a family feel. Faculty are dedicated to teaching and research. They care about undergraduate students, and the majority of our students get to work in faculty lab for hands-on research experience.
Here's some information about what it takes to be accepted into chemical and environmental engineering at the University of Arizona. Most freshmen come into the college as no major selected, and they're able to choose their major in their second or third semester. No major selected students and students outside of the college have to complete an application to choose the major that they would like. You can find this application on the College of Engineering Advising webpage. Incoming students must complete Calculus 1 with a grade of a C or better. They must also complete 12 units of U of A credit in our engineering curriculum. This would include some of our math, science, and engineering courses. Students must also complete a 2.3 GPA in those courses in order to meet our advanced standing requirement. The advisors in the College of Engineering and the CHE department are here to help you navigate.
The CHE department is an incredibly tight-knit community. You not only get to know both chemical and environmental engineering students, but the faculty and staff get to know you as soon as you walk into the department. The faculty use innovative collaborative learning methods where you can work on teams and independently, which is really helpful both inside the classroom and at internships or even full-time jobs after graduation. There are also several groups and clubs that you can be a part of. For example, I'm an engineering ambassador, and we represent the department by giving tours, attending special events, and working with ambassadors from other departments in the college. Being an ambassador has really helped me to become much more confident about meeting people as well as public speaking. The local chapter of the American Institute of Chemical Engineers, or ACHE, isn't just for chemical engineering students. It provides anyone with a great opportunity to connect with industry representatives as well as improve their soft skills and professionalism. We also have Engineers Without Borders, where students work with both local and international communities to design and implement sustainable, high-impact engineering projects. It gives you a fantastic opportunity to apply your knowledge to various consulting projects focused on things like irrigation, sanitation, rainwater harvesting, and water filtration, just to name a few. Similarly, we have Engineers for a Sustainable World, which also works with our local community to promote sustainability through both education and projects, like leading a solar power education program at a local elementary school. Most of the CHI faculty are involved in environmental research, such as water and wastewater treatment, so there's really no shortage of research opportunities to apply your knowledge from class. Please contact us if you have any questions, and we really hope you'll join us. Thank you.